Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to do lemonade knotless braids. First, ensure your hair is clean, conditioned, and completely detangled. This foundational step is crucial for smooth braiding. Apply a good leave-in conditioner and a light oil to keep your hair moisturized and manageable throughout the process. Have all your tools ready: braiding hair, sectioning clips, a rat tail comb, and your favorite edge control. An organized setup makes the entire braiding experience much more enjoyable and efficient. Now let's talk about sectioning, which is key for neat lemonade braids. Start by creating a very clean, deep side part that runs from your forehead all the way to the nape of your neck. Then, divide the rest of your hair into about 4 main quadrants, securing them with clips. When you're ready to braid, take a small, clean subsection at the hairline, ensuring your lines are super crisp. Precision here makes a huge difference in the final look. This is where the knotless magic happens. Begin by braiding a small section of your natural hair for about 1 inch. Then, gently feed in small, thin pieces of braiding hair, one at a time, underneath your natural hair. It's important to maintain consistent, firm tension throughout this process to avoid any bumps or loose spots. Remember to angle your braids downwards, following the natural curve of your head, creating that signature lemonade braid flow. To finish your beautiful lemonade braids, continue braiding until you reach your desired length, typically leaving about 2 to 3 inches of unbraided hair at the ends. You can then seal the ends by dipping them in hot water or carefully using a lighter for a clean finish. Apply a generous amount of setting mousse to your entire head to lay down any flyaways and add a beautiful shine. Now, your stunning lemonade knotless braids are ready to be styled in countless elegant ways.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.